And in our top business story, Fitch Ratings has affirmed Abu Dhabi's long-term foreign and local currency issuer default ratings at AA, and the outlook is stable. According to a local daily, the issue ratings on Abu Dhabi's senior unsecured foreign and local currency bonds have also been affirmed at AA. The UAE country ceiling has been affirmed at AA+, which also applies to Ras Al Khaimah. Abu Dhabi's external sovereign balance sheet is estimated to be the second strongest of all countries rated by Fitch, behind Kuwait. Sovereign net foreign assets are estimated to have increased to 178% of GDP at the end of 2013, up from 151% a year earlier, sufficient to cover 5 years of government spending. Sovereign net foreign assets are conservatively forecast to remain around 170% of GDP by the end of 2016. Real GDP growth stood at 5.2% in 2013, while non-oil growth was 7.4%, the fastest in 7 years, and has averaged 7.9% over the past decade. Fitch added that non-oil growth should remain buoyant over the forecasted period, supported by project spending, a benign external environment, and positive domestic sentiment. Dubai Air Navigation Services aims to increase its peak hour arrivals from 33 to 45 at Dubai International Airport by 2016 as a part of its 10-year strategy. DANS provides air traffic control, electronic engineering and meteorology services at the 2 Dubai airports. Additionally, according to a statement, the refurbishment of 2 runways at the Dubai International Airport has been carried out with minimal disruptions in flight operations due to a well-planned execution of a complicated project within the 80-day schedule. Mohammed Abdullah Akhli, the Director General of Dubai Civil Aviation Authority and the CEO of Dubai Air Navigation Services, stated that they have been told that no other project of this kind has occurred in the history of civil aviation, in which the runway refurbishments were made with the least possible impact on normal flight operations. Dubai International recorded a 6.2% surge in the number of passengers, which stood at 34.67 million in the first half of 2014, despite over a 26% cut in flights during May and June for the refurbishment. Now, the runways are the best in the world to land and take off on, with an increased capacity for high-speed turn-off. Indian nationals were ranked first for foreign investment into Dubai's property sector in the first half of the year, making a total of 4,417 transactions worth 10.523 billion dirhams. The latest figures from the Dubai Land Department show that Indians, Britons and Pakistanis ranked as the top 3 foreign investors respectively, with a combined share of 20.83 billion dirhams with 9,739 transactions in H1. British investors made 2,258 transactions worth 5.811 billion dirhams, while Pakistani investors made 3,064 transactions worth 4.5 billion. Iranian and Canadian investors came in at 4th and 5th place, with transactions worth 2.7 billion and 1.9 billion dirhams respectively. Those from Russia, the United States and China occupied 6th, 7th and 8th places, creating more than 1 billion dirhams worth of property invested in each category of national. Arab investors completed a total of 3,058 transactions worth 6.905 billion dirhams in H1, with Jordanians topping the list with 640 transactions to the value of 1.347 billion dirhams. Lebanese nationals came in second and Egyptians in third. Air Arabia has announced plans to launch flights to Chittagong from Ras Al Khaimah next month. According to a statement, the airline said that the new service for Bangladesh's second largest city will begin from September the 2nd this year in order to further strengthen its connectivity with a core growth market. The airline will operate 3 scheduled flights per week to Chittagong, and it will be Air Arabia's second destination in Bangladesh after Dhaka, where it runs 14 flights every week. Adel Ali, the group's CEO for Air Arabia, was quoted as saying that they have a strong association with Bangladesh, having run flights to the country since 2007, and Chittagong will be their 98th destination.